Namaskaram. My name is Sangeeta Bala and I'm extremely delighted to welcome you all to my presentation as part of Swiss Natya Sabha's monthly meet. I have chosen to perform a Krishna Leela, the Govardhana Leela from the Srimad Bhagavatam in a Harikatha format. Harikatha is an age-old tradition of storytelling through music, dance, shlokas, narration, and to bring out the stories of the life of great saints and Puranas and epics from the Indian mythology. I will be presenting this Harikatha in English. The shlokas are from the Dasama Skandam or the 10th canto of Srimad Bhagavatam, and the songs are all in Tamil. They are Madhura Geetams, written, composed and sung by His Holiness Sri Sri Muralidhara Swamigal. My humble pranams to Guruji as I present today's dance. Govardhana Leela, the miracle at Mount Govardhan.
केन वा साध्यते मकः
This shloka is from Srimad Bhagavatam as Shukar recites these happenings to Parikshit. Krishna asks,
कथ्यतां मे पितः कोऽयम्
"O Father, what are all these happenings? Everybody in Vrindavan is busy preparing something special today. Is there an event?" Nandagopa, Krishna's father, says, "Indra yaga kritodhyamana." We are going to perform a yagya for Indra Bhagwan. Indra Bhagwan? Why Indra Bhagwan? Krishna, what is the most important thing in our life? Rain. Only with rain will our crops grow and the village will flourish and Vrindavan people will be very happy. This is our way of thanking Lord Indra, the Lord of rains. We worship him so he continues to shower his blessings on all of us. Krishna is the Paramatma. He knew Indra's pride grew too strong because of his position. He decided to teach him a lesson through this Leela. The then 8-year-old Krishna, with his wise, sweet, mesmerizing words, called the people of Vrindavan and started explaining. Where are we all living? In the beautiful land of Vrindavan, right? Where the birds are singing, the peacocks dance, the river Yamuna flows, and the Mount Govardhan stands gloriously. Vrindavanam tanil yen maname. My heart lies in the beautiful land of Vrindavan.
Vrindavanam tanil yen maname todi. Vrindavanam tanil yen maname. Vrindavanam tanil yen maname todi. Vrindavanam tanil yen maname. கொஞ்சி கொஞ்சி பாடிடும் கோயில் கூட்டம் நெஞ்சில் குடிகொள்ளும் மயில் கூட்டமும் பிருந்தாவனம் தனில் என் மனமே தோழி பிருந்தாவனம் தனில் என் மனமே சல சல என்றோடும் யமுனை படுகையும் சல சல என்றோடும் யமுனை படுகையும் மலைய மாறுதத்தில் அசையும் கோடிகளும் மலைய மாறுதத்தில் அசையும் கோடிகளும் பிருந்தாவனம் தனில் என் மனமே தோழி பிருந்தாவனம் தனில் என் மனமே ராதா பதம் அலைந்த புண்ணிய பூமியும் ராதா பதம் அலைந்த புண்ணிய பூமியும் காற்றில் மிதந்து வரும் முரளிகானமும் காற்றில் மிதந்து வரும் முரளிகானமும் பிருந்தாவனம் தனில் என் மனமே தோழி பிருந்தாவனம் தனில் என் மனமே.
Krishna points at Mount Govardhan and tells the people of Vrindavan, if a puja has to be done, it should be done to Mount Govardhan and not Indra. After all, isn't it Mount Govardhan that is the source of food and shelter? Nandagopa and the people of Vrindavan at once accepted what Krishna said and paid all their offerings to Govardhan and performed the puja for Mount Govardhan. Back in the heavens, Indra was waiting. He was waiting for his offerings to come. And when he learned that the yagya, the puja, had been disrupted, he got raged. He was angry. He called the clouds and ordered a heavy downpour of rain. He threw lightning bolts and thunderbolts. He told his soldiers to blow heavy gusty winds and hailstorms so the people of Vrindavan could suffer.
இந்திரனுக்கென்று ஆயர்கள் எடுத்த எழில் விழவில் இந்திரனுக்கென்று ஆயர்கள் எடுத்த எழில் விழவில் பழநடை செய் மந்திர விதியில் பூசனை பெறாது பூசனை பெறாது மழை பொழிந்திட மழை பொழிந்திட தளர்ந்து ஆயர் என் தம்மோடு இனவா நிறை தளராமல் எம்பெருமான் அருளென்ன அந்தமில் வரையால் வரையால் மழை தடுத்தானை வரையால் கால் மழை தடுத்தானை திருவல்லிக்கணி கண்டேனே.
Vrindavan was flooded. Houses were shattered. The Gopas, the Gopis, they all ran in search of shelter. The old, the young, the cattle, the cows didn't know where to go. They all ran to Krishna and said, Krishna, Krishna, Mahabhaga, Tvam Natham Gokulam Prabho. Oh Krishna, you are our savior. If you don't help us, who else will? Krishna looked at all the people. He quickly ran and went and stood next to Mount Govardhan. All the people of Vrindavan, shivering in the cold, wondered what Krishna was going to do next. He quickly bent down. Iti yupvaikena hastena. Krishna, in a jiffy, lifted Mount Govardhan. Yekena hastena, with one hand. We can imagine how lifting a heavy mountain like Govardhan would be. But how did Krishna do it? Dadhara Leelaya, easily, playfully. Dadhara Leelaya Krishna. Just like how a child would pluck a mushroom from the ground and lift it. All the people of Vrindavan were astonished and they all went running under the Govardhan for shelter. All the cows were welcomed dearly by Krishna. And as they all stood under Mount Govardhan, they all started singing, Gopala, Gopala, Giridhara Gopala, Krishna Gopala, Gopala, Giridhara Gopala. In the next song, the composer writes, Adenna Parama, Illa Ilaya, Illa Mayil Pilidana. Is that a fruit, or is that a leaf, or is that a peacock feather so light that you just lifted it in a jiffy?
Ilai mayil pilidana
finally, after 7 whole days, Indra realizes the true mystical powers of Krishna. He knew this was not an ordinary child, and it was Paramatma himself. Indra at once stopped all the rains and ran to Krishna and asked for his forgiveness. Along with him, he took Airavat, the white elephant, Akasha Ganga, the goddess Ganges, and Kamadhenu, the magical cow, as they all paid their obeisance to Lord Krishna. And with that, I conclude my presentation for today and thank you all for joining me. Gopika Jeevana Smaranam Govinda Govinda Satgurunath Maharaj Ki Jai. Thank you.
அபிஷேகம் இன்று நம் பிரேமிக வரதனுக்கு பட்டாபிஷேகம் அபிஷேகம் அபிஷேகம் இன்று நம் பிரேமிக வரதனுக்கு